is a hijacker stealing your sales on Amazon, you are not alone. You can take the control back. In this video, I will show you how to take control back and how to remove hijackers fast. Plus, I will give you templates and tracking sheet that will make it even easier. Let's dive in. Step number 1. You need to send a cease and desist notification to the seller. You can reach out to the seller directly. The process is, first you need to open your product. Let's say this is your product and these are 18 sellers. They are selling your product without any approval, any authorization, or they are violating the policies. I'm just supposing it. Let's say this seller, you need to click here and then you can find ask a question option. Click on it and send him a message. If this is your product, you can select it or you can say something else. And here you need to write complete message. Amazon will transfer this message to the seller, and there are maximum chances most of the sellers remove their offers after this message. The template is shared and I will attach it in the description. This is the template, cease and desist template. You need to introduce like yourself and your brand. You are the owner of something XYZ brand and you are saying that you have noticed the seller is selling your product and this is unfair competition, trademark infringement, and you can say please remove your offer. This is your a warning and otherwise I will take a legal action. So this is the process. This template will be given to you. You need to just copy and modify it according to your brand, and you can add even essence. If they are selling some of your essence, you can add them up and you can send along here in this message and you need to send. That's it. This is the first process and there are fair enough chances they will remove their offers if you send this message of cease and desist. You will find it in the notification and you can track your progress in this sheet. I will provide you this sheet as well. You just need to first make all the data. If you are a big brand, like you have thousands of essence that are sold by unauthorized sellers, you can track them up. You can write all of the essence, all of the offers, your product name, and then you can track like first step. After 48 hours you have to move towards second step. Second step is you need to report infringement, and this is a process you can send without placing any order. So I will provide you this link as well. This is amazon.com report infringement. You need to search this, scroll down, start a report, and then you have to write the SN. As we consider this is our product and unauthorized sellers are selling it, we will utilize this. We will write here, search, and then we will select all the unauthorized. There may be some authorized and some are not. Let's say, just an example, this is an unauthorized sellers. We have selected one. We will go with other IP infringements. And here we will write the brand name, like what brand owns the intellectual property. And obviously, this is the product and brand native is the right owner for this product. We will utilize him here and then we will write what is the intellectual property right or asserting. Let's say MAP mean minimum advertising price. Like some of the brand, they have minimum advertisement policy, but people are selling at lower price. They are buying from China or they are just violating the policies of brands to get buy box. So we can write MAP and here we can write a complete message. Template for the complete message is given here and I will attach this in the description. Report infringement template. You can copy and just you need to change your brand name and you are done. Copy it and send them and ask them please remove. Obviously you have to read it and you have to rearrange it according to your brand and according to the violation they are doing. Let's say we have modified, we will write here, then we will write our name and we will send it and Amazon will remove them or Amazon will send them a notification and they will remove their offers within 48 hours. Third step is a bit technical and bit long, but it's the ultimate solution if they haven't removed their offer in step 1 or if Amazon haven't removed their offer in step 2. We have to place an order and we have to report a violation. We will place an order. We will have their product. Once we have their product, we will see the product, analyze if the product is not original, if there are any issues, there are copyright issues. We will go to Amazon brand registry, and let's say this is Amazon brand registry, your account brandregistry.amazon.com. On the main dashboard you can see there is an option report a violation. We will click here on the report a violation, and then we will give it ASIN number. Same process here, we will give the ASIN, and this is the same ASIN. Okay, I'm copying here and I will be pasting in the error page on the brand. It will fetch the product, and now we can choose any number of offers. Let's say this is the offer, we are choosing it, and then we will move toward. You can see here you are not able to see the other infringements, so that other infringements are simple and we can send without any order, or we can send without any copyrights or painted infringements. So just something we can take it light and we can remove them. And this is something we have to go with the process. Either we must have the patent of design, right infringements, copyright, they are using your content, the word you have copyrights, or you can send trademark infringement. We have to choose any option, then we have to choose our brand, and then we have to provide order ID, and even we can submit a video message, or we can add product images that they are selling fake, and then we will submit and Amazon will remove their offer. So these are the 3 steps, and if you have any questions or you are facing any difficulties to remove them, or you are not able to do this dirty work, you want me to work it for you and to remove all the hijackers, please contact us and I will remove them off. I'm attaching these all data in the description, and there is one thing plus for you. These are 3 steps, and if it's not successful, then the last option is you have to go with Amazon transparency program. This is a program I will explain in the next video. Thank you.